Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. I want to quickly describe how I repainted this piece and show you a little bit of why I did that and explain why I repaint my paintings. But before we continue, I want you to see the first image underneath this one. So check it out. That painting actually took me about a day to make, and then maybe a couple more days to detail it. And I wasn't fully done with it, so since it was a big piece, this is a 30 by 40 inch canvas, and then I decided to hang it on the wall and take a break, and and come back to it later and try to finish it. And it's been like about 3-4 months hanging on the wall, kind of like this, and I was looking at it, and over time, I was just really like uninspired by the pieces, and I kind of lost interest in finishing it, and so I decided to use this canvas to repaint this image, and so this is the video. When I posted that video over on Instagram, I saw a bunch of comments at people asking why I did that and repainted this piece. And really the honest truth is that I just felt uninspired by the piece, and I thought maybe over time that'll change. And I actually was really sad, because before I started painting this image, I was sitting on the couch looking at it and was very sad by the time I spent on it, and I knew that I had to change the image. I just knew it, and then I just got up and decided to change the image, and I was happy I did that, and I'm happy with this image. I'm not exactly sure if it's completed, but so I'll let it hang. But for now, I'm happy with it. I might come back and detail it some more later, or maybe even change it, who knows. I've been repainting my paintings for a while now, and not all the paintings that I do I repaint. Some of them I'm 100% happy with, and I leave it as it is, and I varnish it and seal it, and it's done. But there's some pieces where I'm not fully, sure that I really liked or like were finished, so I set them aside, and over time I either come back and finish it and I like it, or I just repaint it. And I've been doing it for a while just because it's very simple. I just don't feel inspired by the piece anymore, or feel like it's really speaking to me, and sometimes because I didn't have some money to pay for other canvases, so I just used that also to save money and save time. And then also it creates an awesome texture and some history too. So what did you guys think? Did you guys like the first or the second painting? And then also, have you guys ever repainted a piece or redone something, remake something, and how did you feel about that? Please let me know, share with me your experiences in doing that down below in the comments. I'd appreciate it and love to hear your stories. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Take care and God bless.